Hi everyone, welcome back to the next installment of Fun Fact Friday here at University Animal Clinic. If you don't know me, I'm Dr. Sam, and so as you could tell, I'm back here in my office, and thank you guys all for coming with me on location last week. So this week I thought we would talk about the dreaded, the stinky, the anal gland. We've all dealt with it. Everybody's had a pet that's had an issue with it, I'm sure, at this point. And so today we're going to talk about what are anal glands and why do they have them. And then I think we'll talk next week about how to deal with them, what happens and why they get inflamed and full, and how to fix it, things you can do at home to fix it. And so what are anal glands? So anal glands are sacs that are about the size of a pea, or in some dogs a marble, and they sit at 4 o'clock and 8 o'clock around the rectum. And they are a scent gland. So they're used so that they can tell, dogs can tell, and cats can tell members of their own species. And it can also be used to mark territory, and sometimes even used to find a mate, if you'll believe that. And so we often see these glands, they can get full, they can get impacted, they can also get infected and can become quite painful. And so how do they express these? And so spoiler alert here, guys, I'll let you know it's about to get gross. So put me on mute if you don't want to hear this. But anal glands are expressed when our pets defecate. So if they have a normal bowel movement, a normal consistency stool, they will express those glands as they're defecating. And so this is the way it should happen in all pets. But of course, like we like to say here, not all pets follow the textbook. And when that happens, that's when we get that inflammation, that pain, and they scoot and can sometimes even become infected. And so, you know, if everything goes the way it's supposed to go, it's nice and easy and everybody's happy. But when they get full, when they get inflamed, everybody cannot be so happy. And so next week, we're going to talk a little bit about why we express them and how we express them, and then also some things you can do at home. And so the other thing I want to mention is, why do they get full? Why do some pets have this issue? It can sometimes be due to weight. If they're overweight, that can cause the glands to roll in and have difficulty expressing. It can happen just because of the way their glands are conformed. Unfortunately, they got the short end of the stick genetically, and that's going to be their issue. And then, like we talked about, stool consistency. So if we're having soft stools, diarrhea, those kinds of things, that causes our glands to have issues and sometimes become full. So tune back in next week. We'll talk about how to fix it, how we can sometimes prevent it, and some different tips and tricks you can use for that. So as always, give this video a like, give it a share. I really appreciate when you guys do that. We love it. Leave comments below. I read all of them. I'll even message you back. I love seeing those. Keep them coming. And if you have any questions or things you'd like better explained on a future Fun Fact Friday, leave those in the comments below. I'm looking at them. You can also direct message me here at University Animal Clinic as well if you've got some things you'd like to throw out there for us to talk about next week. So thanks again. Love seeing you guys here. And we're going to talk a little bit more about the stinky anal glands next week. So we'll see you then. Thanks. Bye.